I've never heard of anyone smoking too many cigarettes and then crashing their car like a drunk driver or getting into a bar fight like a drunk. I've heard of those things happening when people drink too much. I've heard of vulnerable women on campus getting too drunk themselves and then getting into a physically compromising situation. I haven't heard that happen to people who have too many cigarettes out at night. This is a political choice to ban smoking, which vices are cool and which vices aren't. Anything sexual goes on campus, including dangerous sexual practices. So to even say that there's something dangerous about some sexuality is to be a discriminator these days. We have the Ontario government getting into the marijuana business these days, but it's cigarettes and now bizarrely vaping that are the target on campus. Is that really the problem? Now listen to this video clip from the university's president named Patrick Dean.
Obviously, this is a place that gives a lot of thought to customs, behaviors, and so on that might not be supportive of good health. So in some ways, because we are devoted to addressing these kinds of health questions, it follows naturally that in our community we might want to discourage practices that aren't conducive to good health. And so I think at that level, taking some action on smoking is obviously desirable and logical.
So he's saying, we know smoking is bad for you, so we're acting on our knowledge to tell you how to live. But I say again, why just smoking? Why just that one part of life? And if they're teaching students and staff these facts, and I'm sure they are, but those same students and staff resist making the choices that president wants them to make, isn't that part of being a grown-up too? I mean, isn't that part of life? Shouldn't young men and women, and older men and women too, of course, be allowed to make their own decisions about their lives?
That's an excerpt from my daily TV show, The Ezra Levant Show. Normally it's behind a paywall, but I thought you'd like this video, so we put it on YouTube. If you want to subscribe to watch the daily show every day, including always 2 interviews a day, and I read my hate mail, just click on this screen and become a premium member.